السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn as you sow, so shall you reap. If you are cheating to your parents, if you are harming to your parents, or if you are harming to other people, so these things will return to you. So the moral story of this only that as you sow, so shall you reap. If you do good, good will happen. If you do bad, bad will happen. Let's begin. Let's start that story. This is small and moral story. In this story, one boy and one man is there, and also in this story, one dog also is there. One boy, he is very naughty. So this boy was on the one road side, and in his hand one bread was there. This naughty boy saw that in front of him there is a one dog who is sleeping on the ground. So this boy took out one loaf of bread, one piece of bread in his hand, and he woke up. He called that dog. The dog got up. Seeing this, in the boy's hand, one piece of bread, dog thought that this boy will calling me and will give me that piece of bread. So dog came near him. Now that naughty boy, he wanted to fun. So in place of giving that loaf, in place of giving that piece of bread, the boy took one stick and hit upon the dog's head. Now the dog cried and make loudly, shouted and ran away. All these things, one man in front of that boy, he was watching from the window. So that man took one banana in his left hand and took one stick in his right, and he kept that stick in his back, and he stood near his door and called that boy, "Oh boy, come here." That boy saw that in this man's hand banana is there, and that boy thought that this man will give me that banana. So he came near. So as soon as that boy came near that man took out that stick and hit upon that boy's hand very strongly. Now that boy cried and shouted more than that dog. So that boy told that, "Why did you beat me? Why did you hit me? When I did not ask you anything, you only call me." So that man replied, "So why did you hit that dog? That dog did not ask you anything. So why did you call and why did you hit it?" So this is very nice and moral story. That boy hit that dog without reason. So in the same way, that man also hit that boy. He did that mistake. So this was the result. So if you are telling to all the people, always you are telling lie. So when other will tell you lie, you will shock. What is going on? Why the people are telling lie? You are telling lie, so they will also tell lie. You are cheating. Always you are doing fraud. So wait, see, after sometimes they will fraud. They will cheat you. So, moral of the story is that as you sow, so shall you reap. Thank you for watching my videos. Please comment and suggest your valuable advices. And please remember me in your du'ain.